While generative AI offers extraordinary possibilities, it also raises complex ethical, legal, and social challenges that must be addressed as the technology continues to evolve. Misinformation and deepfakes. One of the most concerning issues in the creation of synthetic media, often referred to as deepfakes. These are AI generated images, videos, or voices that convincingly imitate real people. While they can be entertaining or educational, they also pose risks, spreading misinformation, involving privacy, and undermining trust in digital content. Bias and fairness. Generative AI models learn from human created data, which often reflect social biases. If an AI system is trained on biased datasets, it can reproduce or even amplify stereotypes. For example, image generators may depict certain professions or genders incoherently based on biased patterns in their training data. Ensuring fairness requires continuous editing, diverse data collection, and transparency in how models are built. Copyright and ownership. The legal status of AI generated content remains a gray area. Who owns a piece of art or writing produced by an algorithm? The developer, the user, or no one at all? Courts and government worldwide are working to establish policies and balance innovation with intellectual property protection. Privacy and data security. Generative AI systems are often trained on large datasets scraped from the internet. This can include copyrighted materials or personal data used without consent. Developers must find ways to train models responsibly, ensuring data sources are ethical and privacy is maintained. Job displacement and workforce evolution. Automation through AI can reduce demand for certain tasks while creating new opportunities in others. Routine creative roles may diminish, but new professions such as AI prompt engineering, ethics consulting, and AI content curation are emerging. The key will be reskilling and adapting education to prepare future works for a world where AI collaboration is the norm. Environmental impact. Training large AI models requires vast computational resources consuming significant amount of electricity. Suitable practices such as optimizing model efficiency and using renewable energy for data centers are crucial to reducing the carbon footprint of AI development. Regulation and ethical governance. Governments and organizations are developing frameworks for responsible AI usage. Initiatives like EU's Artificial Intelligence Act and UNESCO's AI ethics recommendations aim to ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI deployment. Companies are encouraged to adopt ethical guidelines that promote trust and safety. The future of generative AI. Looking forward, generative AI will continue to evolve rapidly. It will move beyond creating media into designing products, discovering new materials, and solving complex scientific problems. Future models will likely combine multiple types of data, text, images, sound, and 3D module to create truly multimodal systems capable of understanding the world in richer ways. We may also see the rise of personalized AI models trained on individual preferences and experiences, acting as digital collaborators tailored on each user. These systems could revolutionize education, healthcare, and creativity, empowering people to achieve more than ever before. However, maintaining human values, empathy, judgment, and accountability will be essential. The goal of generative AI should not be replace human intelligence, but to extend it. The greatest innovations will come technology and humanity work together in harmony.
Generative AI marks a defining moment in human progress, a point where technology not only assists but also creates. It challenges our understanding of art, authorship, and intelligence itself. From producing digital painting and symphonies to assisting in medical research and education, generative AI has become a partner in human innovation. But as with all powerful tools, it demands responsibility, transparency, and ethical oversight. The coming years will test how well humanity can guide this technology. If used wisely, generative AI will empower individuals, amplify creativity, and accelerate discovery in ways once imaginable. It represents not the end of human creativity, but the beginning of new era, one where humans and machines create together, transforming ideas into reality.
And that brings us to the end of our broadcast on generative AI.
We hope you learned something new about how AI can help us be more creative and innovative.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Bye.